Check out this 2007 Saleen Mustang S281 Supercharged Coupe in red fire metallic. Absolutely beautiful car. As you can see, it's got the chrome wheel upgraded package that came from Saleen with the 7-spoke wheels. Practically a $2,500 upgrade in wheels alone. This car, MSRP or from Saleen, the price of the window sticker was just shy of $61,000. This car has a little over 13,000 miles, so if you're looking for a great value and a nice Mustang, here you go. This car is number 368 of the sequentially numbered Mustangs from Saleen. 4.6 liter underneath the hood. Like I said, supercharged. 5-speed transmission paired with it. Does have a JLT cold air intake on it. We do have the Saleen cold air intake, the original one that did come with the car. Will be included in a box in the trunk. A very, very nice car. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior pics, under the hood, underside of the car. I'll have a picture of the window sticker on there also so you can see that. The pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Beautiful Saleens in this body style just really stand out, especially with this rear fascia treatment from the rear kind of bumper fascia, that center dump exhaust, the big wing, and that wrap around. The taillights, the 2 blacked out taillights, going from 6 to 4. I mean, just make this car really stand out, let alone with that red fire metallic paint on it. We've had one other one like this in, and they sell quick, and they're absolutely beautiful. 435 horse is what it came with from Saleen, so definitely no slouch. They will get up and move. It's not an all show and no go car, that's for sure. Let's check out this interior. We'll start it up so you can hear it too, but the glare out of there. You can see the door card, nice shape. Saleen door sills. Again, the seat, just what you'd expect out of a car with very low miles. A little over 13,000. And we'll start it up and show you the exact miles on it. There you go, 13,374. As you can see, there's no check engine lights, no warning lights, just the seat belt, since I did put that in when I got in. It does have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo that has been added to it. 5-speed manual transmission, twin pod gauges on the dash, which is going to have your boost, and then the actual air temperature. I believe that's from the intercooler. Very, very nice car. Inside and out. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble out of that supercharged 4.6. Again, if you want to check out the underside pics, check out the interior, trunk, under the hood, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, feel free to call us if you'd like to discuss transportation, anything on this car. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. 2007 Saleen Mustang S281 Supercharged Coupe in red